taba ng mukha ko. Ay, ko. Mainit. Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dez, and sa video na to, as you have read in the title, magre-review na naman tayo ng isang multi-purpose na makeup product. And this time, we are going to try out the EB Advance Power Paint Multi-Use Color Cream. So, if you are interested to know kung okay ba itong bagong product ng Bilena, then please keep on watching. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So, ito yung itsura nung packaging ng product. And alam ko, bago lang to. Nitong August lang siya nirelease. If I'm not mistaken, August 17 yata. So, ayan. Ganito yung itsura niya. It's a plastic box. Tapos, isa-slide open mo para lumabas yung product. Ay! Nalaglag. Ay! 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 Nalaglag. Ganito yung itsura niya. Mukha siyang watercolor, pero yung packaging na to, madaming nagsasabi na kamukha niya yung glossier cloud paint. So, syempre, dahil ako ay chismosa, nanood muna ako ng video about the glossier cloud paints. And according to the reviews, medyo ano yung consistency ng cloud paints eh. Medyo watery, medyo runny. And yung pigmentation ng cloud paints, hindi masyadong pack na pack. Very subtle lang yung pigments niya and talagang mag-aano lang siya, magbe-blend lang nicely on the skin. So, sa video na to, malalaman natin if yung EB Advanced Power Paint ay dupe nga ba talaga nung glossier cloud paints. So, buksan na natin siya, tinitwist lang yung cap, and meron pa siyang takip, meron pang protective seal. Ay, wala! Ayan, wala siyang protective seal, pero meron lang stopper kasi isa siyang squeezy tube. For this video, nag-decide pala ako na mag-bare face na lang kasi napakainit ng panahon at feeling ko maglalapot ako kapag nag-foundation pa ako. So, ito na yun guys. So, ilalagay ko na dito yung product and tingnan natin kung pareho ba sila ng consistency ng glossier cloud paints. So, ito siya guys. Ang shade na ito ay chiffon. Ayan. And this is how it looks like. Yung consistency niya, hindi siya runny. It's almost like a mousse. It is creamy, pero hindi ko pa siya nakakawakan, And, ayan yung shade na chiffon. Compared to the glossy cloud paint, ang nakita ko dun sa ibang YouTube videos is mas mas runny siya and mas watery yung consistency nun. Ito, hindi siya runny at all and ayun nga, as I've said earlier, parang mousse yung consistency niya. Thick yung consistency and kapag ni-rub mo siya, ganyan yung nagiging effect niya. Yung claim ng product is nag-dry down siya to a powdery finish. Pero so far, parang hindi pa naman powdery yung nararamdaman ko kapag biniblend ko siya dito sa skin ko. So now, ito na rin yung product na gagamitin ko and mag-start tayo by applying it on the cheeks. Fingers na lang yung ginamit ko guys because let's be real, lahat naman tayo fini-finger ang mga bagay-bagay. Huh? So, sa side na to ng cheeks ko, ang ginawa ko is binlend ko muna dito sa back ng aking hands. And then, tsaka ko in-apply sa cheeks. And, ang napansin ko is meron siyang konting lagkit. So, medyo nagtatag on the skin. Kaya, hindi ko sure if this will go well kapag in-apply on top of foundation or on top of powder foundation. But, on a bare face, ayun nga, yung napansin ko is meron siyang konting lagkit and nagtatag siya on the skin. Medyo nahirapan ako i-blend nung una kasi nga medyo malagkit na siya. So, parang feeling ko kumakapit agad dun sa skin yung product. On this side of the skin, itry nating maglagay ng tuldok-tuldok ng product and then tsaka natin siya i-blend. Medyo kinakabahan ako sa tuldok-tuldok process kasi ang thick nung consistency nito and baka kasi sumobra tayo. So, let's see kung ano mangyayari. Konti lang yung ilalagay kong tuldok-tuldok, okay? Ayan guys, so ito yung effect nung tuldok-tuldok process natin. And I can say na hindi naman siya nakakatakot if ever man na ganun yung process na gagawin nyo. Kasi nabiblend naman siya ng maayos. And kailangan mo lang talagang ingatan yung dami ng product na gagamitin mo. Another suggestion is, mag-start kayo mag-apply ng konti lang and then build up from there. Depende kung gaano nyo ka-pigmented gusto yung blush nyo. For me guys, itong shade na tong chiffon, it's perfect. Among all the colors nung Power Paints, ito yung mas nagustuhan ko. Kasi feeling ko mas neutral siya and hindi siya sobrang tingkad. And feeling ko it will be a good shade for all skin tones. So, meron pa tayong product na natitira and let me try this product on my lips naman. So, ito siya guys on the lips. In fairness dito sa product na to, hindi siya nag-cling onto dry patches. Kasi parang na-spread out siya evenly on my lips even though dry yung lips ko. Also, ang cute lang din ng shade na to. Ang fresh lang niya and it gives off that youthful vibe. And ayan, okay siya. Medyo dry yung pakiramdam niya, pero hindi naman niya na-accentuate yung mga dry patches ko on my lips. Ang suggestion ko, if hindi kayo comfortable dun sa pagiging dry ng product on your lips, mag-apply na lang siguro ng lip balm para medyo ma-moisturize yung lips. Feeling ko maganda rin ito patungan ng lip gloss. So, it is your preference kung gusto nyo ng lip balm or lip gloss. Kayo na yung bahala, besh. Ayan, tinatry ko ulit i-touch yung finish niya. Pero guys, hindi talaga siya powder finish eh. Medyo may lagkit pa rin talaga siya. So, ang suggestion ko para mawala yung lagkit is iset nyo siya ng translucent powder. Ayan, mawala na yung lagkit guys. Again, itong product na to, it is a multi-use product. So, pwede nyo rin siya i-apply on the eyelids. But for this video, hindi ko na itatry yun because hindi talaga ako fan ng paglalagay ng blush on at ng mga cream products dito sa eyelids ko. Also, feeling ko kasi mukha akong merong sore eyes kapag ganitong shade yung ilalagay sa eyelids. So, I'll just skip that for now and let's proceed to my final thoughts. Ayan, so after ko mag-apply ng product dun sa cheeks and sa lips ko, meron pa ring natirang product dito sa back ng hands ko. And I have to say that this product goes a long way. For the price of 199 pesos, meron ka ng 11 grams of product and talagang magtatagal to sa'yo kasi ang dami nito, besh. Also, since it's in a squeezy tube, mas masusulit mo siya and masisimot mo siya kapag paubos na siya. Magagamit mo tong product na to 24 months after mo siyang buksan. And sabi dito, it is paraben-free, it is cruelty-free, and it is also vegan. Overall, gusto ko tong product na to kasi napaka-handy niya. Kahit saan, pwede mo siyang dalhin, pwede mo lang siyang isilid sa bag mo. And also, it is very easy to use. Ang issue ko lang sa product na to is meron siyang lagkit factor kapag in-apply on the cheeks. And also on the lips, medyo drying siya. Pero I don't mind those naman because naaareglo naman ng setting powder and pwede ka naman maglagay ng lip balm. So there you go guys, we have reached the end of this video and sana nakatulong itong aking try-on review if ever man na nagde-decide kayo kung bibili kayo nitong Ever Bilena Power Paint Multi-Use Color Cream. If this video has been helpful to you, then please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. Andito ka na rin lang, i-press mo na yung subscribe button down below and yung bell button beside it. Thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!